Hey guys, OnePlus 12 has been launched as a company new flagship phone in China, which come as a success to the OnePlus 11. And here top 5 features. So we summarize all the difference and explain the new features. So let's get right into the video. The OnePlus 12 looks similar to the OnePlus 11 but it's a bit larger overall. The OnePlus 12 have a 6.82-inch touch screen featuring a same 2K resolution AMOLED display and a 6.7-inch display on the OnePlus 11 along with the same 120Hz variable refresh rate thanks to the LTPO. However, one key difference here is the brightness. The OnePlus 12 can be reached 4500 nits peak brightness while the OnePlus 11 peak brightness at 1300 nits. The OnePlus 12 running on a Qualcomm latest chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the chips deliver a excellent of performance upgrade including a 30% faster CPU, 25% GPU and 10% improvement on a power efficiency. And on the other hand, the OnePlus 11 comes with the previous generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Both the OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 11 featuring a triple camera setup inside a 50 megapixel main camera and 48 megapixel ultra wide sensor. However, where the OnePlus 11 comes with a 32 megapixel 2x portrait telephoto camera and the OnePlus 12 comes with a larger 64 megapixel 3x periscope telephoto camera. Finally, the OnePlus 12 includes a bigger battery and a support for a wireless charging. The OnePlus 12 pack a 5400 mAh battery while the OnePlus 11 has a 5000 mAh battery and both phones also supported 100 watt fast charging and only OnePlus 12 also supporting a 50 watt wireless charging. So this is the 5 reasons why you can upgrade OnePlus 11 to OnePlus 12. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.